Alright, I'm here at the Oklahoma State History Center. This is a much bigger building than I anticipated. That's the Capitol over there. I don't know if I'm going to go see the Capitol or not. It's a nice building, but I'm probably not too interested in whatever's inside. Alright, let's see what's going on in here.
At the end of your tour, hopefully you too can connect the dots of history to see how free enterprise has helped you.
I saw online that they had a pretty good car collection in here, so I was interested. Got a little printing press. The obligatory Burroughs adding machine. I've come pretty close to buying one of these. That's a cool neon sign up there. Check this thing out. Look at this monstrosity of a diving suit. Old roller coaster. Oh yeah, Ditch Witch is from Oklahoma. Most people don't know that. Ditch Witch was invented here. They still make a lot of equipment here. It's a pretty interesting facility. Their stuff sure is expensive though. And I'm digging these neon signs. This is pretty sweet actually. This is kind of better than expected. Yeah, we have these Jimmy's egg restaurants. I'm not really a big fan of them. It's kind of like obviously a breakfast place. We have the Iron Lung. It's terrifying. We have more adding machines. Now these I think are pretty cool. These old automated change machines. I've been keeping an eye out for some of those. They're not quite that common anymore to come by. Some old TV cameras. That's pretty neat. I can dig it. Got some old televisions. Oh my goodness, look at this organ. This is... Can you imagine keeping track of all that? That's a lot going on. This is a pretty deranged looking clown. That's pretty terrifying. I'm gonna leave that alone. Did they make TV shows in Oklahoma? Did they? "3D Danny." That is cheesy. It's kind of cool, this little skyscraper replica here. Alright, is there anything else? Or is that it? That may have been it. There's a research center here.
So we need to prove that Arabella is the husband, the wife of AC, that's our
That was interesting. Let's see if there's any more. That wasn't quite worth the admission fee, in my opinion, if that was it. But I think there might be more. Yeah, I think there's more to see here. All right, should be recording again. I'm still getting used to this camera. It's a really great camera for outside. Inside, it doesn't want to zoom in on stuff. I'm a little bummed out about that. I wish I'd kept my GoPro for some of the indoor stuff. That's a cool car. That's a pretty sweet truck, I should say. Alright. Oh, that's interesting. What's all this? Where all the bougie, posh, fancy people go. Little tea party set. Oh, check out this retro kitchen. I like it. That's pretty awesome. Huh. This is confusing. The obligatory moonshine still. I guess you gotta go watch the movie Oklahoma after this. Yeah, I like the retro kitchen. I can dig that. This looks a lot like the Fisher body coach, except in different colors. Can you imagine riding cross country in something like this? It'd be terrible. Oh, Kerr McGee Gallery. You can thank them for the nuclear waste contamination in the state. Yeah, Kerr McGee. Yeah, they're really great. Explosives box.
From the dawn of time, they searched for every something which we in the universe that studies
Looking for oil and gas.
to deep beneath the ocean's surface.
Oh, look at this.
On the front are two bald tigers. So worn down.
This is cool, the miniature Tulsa driller statue. It's like a Muffler Man size version. Chesapeake. Oh no. It's an Orange County Chopper's bike. That means it's total garbage. Actually, I'm glad I see this. Dude, don't even get me started. I'm so glad that fad has fizzled. These bikes are such trash. Absolute trash. I mean, who builds a motorcycle with no suspension anyway? Whoa, that's pretty groovy. And then this movie projector. Yep, those are all done. They're all going out of service now too. What is this? Post office stuff. And what is this, like an x-ray machine? Yeah, some sort of x-ray device. We have some military type gear. The military museum here is the 45th Infantry Division Museum. That's next level. That's worth a trip here. Disgusting Civil War era stuff. Oh, man, that's brutal. Four-second fuse.
On the ends of lumps approaching fellows, while white fellows
Check out all the retro barbershop stuff in there.
Drink from different water fountains and go to different.
Yeah, so there you go. There you have it. The Oklahoma State History Museum in Oklahoma City. I thought they had more cars in here. Am I missing something? Huh.
Unless traveling as a group, middle and upper class women list for travel.
I guess this is supposed to be a steamship type of thing. All right. Yep, that's it.